What if I say you in any kind of aptitude exam, majorly they'll ask this topic? Yes. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be seeing percentage topic on marks. We have already put percentage topic based on salary, based on votes or election. Kindly go check it if you haven't checked it. This video will be divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So don't miss it. Check each and every questions. So we'll be initially discussing the theory part, then we'll be going into the questions. So let's quickly get into the video. Yeah. Yes. So as I already told you, in salary, in election and voters and everything, you have to start with 100. Okay. So generally, you have to assume your total as your 100 or 100x or 100 percentage. So your total mark should be 100 or 100x or 100 percentage. So marks, definitely you'll know it will be out of 100, it can be out of 500, it depends on how much they keep. But we are assuming the marks as 100 and we are proceeding. So that is the main thing which you have to keep. And let's quickly start. In an examination, 1,100 boys and 900 girls appeared, in which 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed the examination. Now, the question is, what percentage of candidates who failed? That is the question. So now let us find the number of percentage failed in number of failures in boys and number of failures in girls. So for that, what are you supposed to do? So simply let us say that number of boys. So the number of boys here is 1,100. So past boys is 50%. So 50% of 1,100. So 50% means basically divide by 2, you'll be getting your answer. So if you divide by 2, your answer will be 550% passed. Then the number of failed boys is nothing but your total boys minus past boys. So 1,100 minus 550. So you will be getting the answer as 550. So this is number of boys that is failed. Okay, I guess it is lagging. Okay, let's see. Okay, now number of girls. So number of girls here, number of girls is 900, in which 40% passed. So 900 is number of girls. Passed girls. So past girl is 40% of 900. So I hope you know how to find 40%. It is 40 by 100 into 900. So you will be getting your answer as 360. This is 360 is number of past girls. Now failed girls. Failed girls is nothing but 900 minus 360. So you will be having it as 540. So 540 is nothing but the number of girls that is failed. Okay. So number of girls failed. Now total number of failed students. So failed students. So failed students will be number of boys plus number of girls. So 550 plus 540, I will be getting as 550 plus 540, I will be getting 1,090. So percentage only they are asking. So finding percentage will be 1,090 divided by total. That is 1,100 plus 900. Total number of girls and boys is 2,000 into 100. That is your percentage, which you will get it as 54.5% will be your answer. 54.5%. So your answer is 54.5. So I hope you understood this really well. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. So next question, in an examination, it is required to get 45% of mark to pass. So they're telling you have to get 45% to pass. And Jashwinder got 608 marks and failed by 67. He got this much and he failed by 67. Okay, what is the maximum marks in examination? So, I mean the total marks they are asking. So, let us assume that the maximum mark as 100x or 100 percentage, anything is fine. Now, required percentage to get pass mark is 45 percentage. So I'm assuming it as 45x. So required marks for passing is 45x. Out of 100x, we don't know what is x, so I'm just assuming 45x is what you are supposed to get. But this guy is Jashwinder, he got 608 marks. So he got 608 marks, but he failed. So he need extra 67 marks to pass. So plus 67, only then he can pass. So the pass mark is 675. So in order for him to pass, he needs 675. So this is the pass percentage. So required marks to pass is 45x. So that is nothing but 675 because they told he failed. If he has this much, he will be passing. So the borderline is nothing but 45x. The pass percentage, the required marks to pass will be equal to the base. So now x will be 675 by 45. So x is nothing but 15. Now they asking the total marks, right? So total, I mean maximum mark is 100 into 15. So 1500 is your total marks because x is your 15. Out of 1500, if you get 675, your pass mark is there. The 675 is 45 percentage of 1500. If you want, you can check it. Okay, now let's go and do another sum. It is a simple easy sum. In an examination, it is required to get 65 percentage of aggregate mark to pass. So how much he has to get? He has to get 65 percentage. Okay, now a student gets 684 marks and it is declared failed by 8 percentage. So he just failed by 8 percentage. There they gave marks. Here they gave percentage. So now let me say that in order to pass an examination, he has to get 65 percentage. But the student failed by 8 percentage. So he failed by 8 percentage means he got 57 percentage, right? Because for passing it is 65, he failed by 8 percentage. You just subtract it, you'll get it. Okay, so now you have to find what is the maximum aggregate marks he can get. But the student got 684. So basically, if you take 57 percentage of x, he got 684. Okay, here x is your total marks. Out of that, he got 57 percentage. Okay, so x is nothing but your maximum mark. Okay, so it is 57 by 100 into x is equal to 684. So x is equal to 684 into 100 by 57. So your x will be, when I further do it, your x will be 1200. So he has to get the total number of marks is 1200. So I hope you understood this concept really well. If you haven't understood it, just go check it again. Practice the sums, then come back with me, so you'll be able to solve it even with a little more confidence. So we'll be definitely having part 2 of it, where we'll cover different types of mark related percentage problems, so it's easy for you. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.